Welcome back viewers. In today's video we are going to do the Geekbench 6.5 test of OpenSuse tumbleweed with a real-time kernel. So we had done the real-time settings to the OpenSuse tumbleweed installation on my laptop, and now in today's video we are going to use the performance governor policy. In the last video we had used the shed util governor policy with the balanced power profile. So we are not going to check out these three other power profiles. Only the balance will be checked. That is for you to do test on your system and then give me a feedback how the things went for you, what were the test scores. You can do it at your home. So we are only going to test the three governor policies one by one, and we will keep the power settings or the power profiles at the balance mode. So now let us apply it to the system. Input the secret password. Okay, I made some mistake. Okay, done. So we have applied the governor profile. Now we have to do the change mode as usual to give the permissions to Geekbench executable to execute on our system, and then we have to start the test. You can see here we are using the same kernel 6.17.7-1 default. So this is the main kernel of OpenSuse, but we have applied the real-time settings. That is, the preemption is full setting has been applied during the boot. So this kernel now behaves as a real-time kernel. So now the single core tests have started. And these are the CPU information of my system. So the single core test have completed and the multi-core test have started. So the test is now complete. Let us check out the result. I will just save the web page. Okay, so the scores for single core is 1386 and for the multi core it is 4295. Let us compare this with the earlier one, 1388, 4293. So near about same, not much difference is there. Almost same scores are there. Now let us check out the individual scores of the test performed in single as well as multi-core. This is the single core performance for different tests. Now the multi-core performance is coming up. So that's it. I will stop the video here. In the next video, we will try out the third governor. So see you in the next video. Bye bye.